Hey guys, in this session let us see some high level about the Oracle directories in Oracle Database 21c software. So since we are going to use Oracle Database 21c software for installing our data guard configuration, we need to be aware of the directory structures in 21c compared to 19c. So prior to Oracle Database 21c software, in 19c, 12c, 11g softwares, we have only one Oracle home. Okay, and this Oracle home contains all the files like libraries, binaries, and also read-write files like p file, sp file, all these parameter files, and also password file and network related files like tnsnames.ora, listener.ora. All these files will be stored under only one Oracle home. Okay, under DBS directory we had the p files and sp files, password files, and under network admin directory we had all the network related files. But in 21c, Oracle has categorized these files into different environment variables. So whenever we are setting the Oracle home, what we do, we just export the Oracle home and then we log into the SQL Plus, right? But in 21c we have separate environment variables like Oracle base home and Oracle base config. Okay, so the only Oracle environment variables that we used before 21c were Oracle SID, okay, and Oracle home, and also Oracle base directory. So Oracle base directory is the base which contains all of the other folders, right? Under Oracle base directory we will be having the directory structures for trace files, okay, which is the diag folder, and we also have the admin related files, we have audit related files, we have the Oracle home location from the base directory. Okay, so there are a lot of other folders as well, which will be a tree of Oracle base. Okay, from Oracle base there will be a lot of branches like a tree structure, right? So if I just execute tree command, I will get the tree output. So this is the Oracle SID and this is the Oracle home, and if I need to check the base, this is the Oracle base. So these are the main environment variable parameters that we use prior to 21c. Okay, so if I just go to this base directory, so I have a lot of other subdirectories like admin, audit, DBS, diag, FRA, homes, product. Okay, so if I just enter this tree command, I get all the categorizations based on the folders. Okay, it is kind of a tree structure. So in 21c, instead of placing all the read-write files, which means the files which can be modified, instead of placing it in the Oracle home, what Oracle Corporation did was they separated all these files into different folder. Okay, all the network related files will be under homes, OraDB 21 home 1, and all the parameter file and password file under /dbs under the base directory. Okay, and if we want to check the environment variable, we can check Oracle base config or Oracle base home. Okay, and these are the other non-mandatory folders. So the mandatory folder is network/admin and DBS. Okay, and also we have other folders like admin, which contains all the audit related files and data pump related files, the dump files. Okay, and also diag folder, which contains all the trace and alert log files, and also Ora data. So Ora data is not mandatory to be specified under this /uo1. We can also specify any other mount point, but if Ora data is placed under this directory, then all the data files, control file and read log files also will be stored under this location. Okay, so since we are going to install Oracle Database 21c software, before installing the Oracle database we need to be aware of the directory structures because it is completely changed in 21c. So if I just check the Oracle base config, I don't get any output in the environment variable, and if I check the Oracle base home, I don't get any output. Okay, why? Because we have not configured these environment variables. Okay, so I will just give you a script to configure these variables as part of the bash profile. Okay, so now let me just show you or walk you through all these folders so that you will be understanding. Okay, so first let me go to the base location. So this is the base location. From this base location, if I need to check all the files which are modifiable, okay, like the parameter file or network file. Okay, so you have a directory called network under homes, Oracle DBA 21 home 1, network, admin. I have listener.ora here. Okay, if you see, the directory is completely changed, but if I just check the Oracle home directory, it is something different. Right, this is my Oracle home directory. In earlier versions like 19c, what we do, we just log into the Oracle home location, go to network, admin. Okay, and then we go and check all the network files. Okay, but in 21c these locations are not valid, so you need to use this particular location, homes Oracle DBA 21 home 1, network, admin. Okay, and also to check the P files and SP files, we go to Oracle home DBS. If you see, under DBS we have the same init.ora file, but the actual location is, just go to the base directory. Okay, so this is the base directory, UO1 app Oracle, and under this folder we have DBS. If you see, all the parameter files are residing here. Init P file, this is SP file, snapshot file, snapshot control file, and password file. So all these files are here. Okay,